Hey, wanna go to that
fast food restaurant? I want to go to that fast food restaurant.
Yeah, let's go get some
unappetizing. We're gonna get some very yucky food.
Good, let's go.
Let's go to the drive-thru window.
Oh, my mouth is watering with the slime. Everyone is here. I'm an employee. How may I help you?
Where's the bathroom?
Oh, it's right over there.
Okay.
This is our yucky grocery bathroom. Love the bad smell. Oh, and if the toilet is clogged, don't unclog it.
And then there's a garbage can, and then there's also a light bulb if the light goes out. Good luck, and tell me when you're done. Oh, the light went out. I better just go get another one and replace it.
Look, I got the best seat, and I ordered the yuckiest food ever.
Wait, I'm gonna go order more food. Let's go order my food.
Okay. I want an apple cord. I want a stale croissant, and I want moldy cheese. Oh, we're done with our food, and we just threw it out. Let me take out the trash. Oh, we're done with our food. Okay, good. Now let me throw this on the streets. Meanwhile, back at the house, I'm looking out the window and it's pretty late out right now.
Wait a second, I see it. It's the garbage truck, the fun truck.
Oh, I heard of the party truck. It's so fun. It's once a week and tons of people in town go. Let's go. Oh, I want to be a lucky one that gets in the crate party room. Oh, never mind. The crate party rooms are already full.
I wonder what party room we'll get into.
Oh, there's only room left in the middle party room. The middle party room is for noobs.
Yes, that is it. Yeah.
Well, we're inside the middle party room, so should we party?
So wasn't hurting you?
Okay, I'll take that as a yes.
Oh, it's pretty cramped in here.
Well, this is gonna be a good party.
Time to get this party on the road. Alright, time to stop for a bathroom break. Pee in the truck if you need to. We like being disgusting.
Oh, hi, we're the Koopies.
This bathroom doesn't close. Let me try closing it. Alright, the party's back in the room. Whoa! Oh my gosh, this is different. I have to load everything back in, but let me do this by myself. I gotta drive a little slower. I shouldn't lift this. I think all this stuff will fall out. Who was that? My windshield is cracked. You're literally disgusting pieces of crap. I'm gonna hoard all you.
Oh boy, we're going on the party truck now.
No.
Hey, your truck is actually driving outside of Grossery town. Oh boy, the outside is just the desert. It's getting pretty dark out.
I'm gonna go get a little stop to the night, so let's take a nap.
Oh no, she's sleep driving. Let's wake her up. No, it's dangerous to wake someone up if they're sleep driving. Meanwhile, in the morning.
Hey, where's the dumpster? And also, where's all my stuff?
1 hour later.
Oh no, everything can find out. I'm gonna clean this up. I guess I'll be the one to be picking up this big mess.
Whoa, what happened? Why are we in the middle of nowhere? I think she started sleep driving.
Pretty far from Grocery town. I think we should start driving back.
Many hours later.
Class town.
We can finally get out now.
Who's the king?
Whoa, that was the craziest party ever. I'm glad it's over.